Hey, let's check out this circuit tester kit here. It's got a manual in here? Awesome. Yeah! This looks all pretty standardized here. All right, so what do we got here? We got the probe. We got the on-off button. You can use this to like tell it to send power to something like a light bulb. So we're going to try that out. We got some leads. Alligator clip there. You can use this thing as a diode tester. There we go. Plus and minus. Yeah, well, let's go try this thing out. It's a really long cord, by the way. Jeez Louise. Okay, so I've been having troubles with this connection that goes here, this like airflow sensor or whatever. We just want to see if there's a short in the line or if there's another problem. So I could put the probe in here. I have this thing connected to the positive and negative on the battery already. But we can stab this probe in here. That tells us that we've got power on one side. Let's see, it gives you a negative here. Can you see that? So we found the negative. Great. Okay, the other sides are positive. We got a single beep. I'm going to hit the plus here on the top of this thing. We got 12.2 volts. Wonderful. What do we got down here? I don't know. So we have continuity there, so that's not our problem. Okay, another example here under the hood of the tractor. There's the horn. Want to figure out why the horn isn't working. Is it the horn? Is it the wire? Or is it the switch? So coming up here, there's our negative. All right, here we go. We're going to hook it to this side of the horn and give it the beans. Horn works fine. This thing told us. Problem is the switch.